Hey friends, let's go over some language. Today's lesson is going to go along with Wednesday, and it's going to be for pages 127 and 128. There are just two things that I want to go over with you before you get started working on your worksheet for the day, okay? One of those things is alphabetical order or ABC order. You might be thinking, Ms. Davis, we've already done this. I know. I just want to review over one time, okay? So I have 4 words written out here. Read them out loud with me. Doll, daisy, deer, dump. I want to put these in ABC order, but they all start with D. Who remembers what we can do if all of our words start with the same letter? We go to the next letter. Very good. And then we just do our regular ABC order, okay? So let's look at the second letter of each of our words, okay? Do you see the first letter of our alphabet in any of these second letters? A, very good, in daisy. So do we have a D-A for any of our other words? We don't. So daisy will be our first word in alphabetical order. Very good. Okay, so I'm going to put a little check mark. That way I know that I'm not going to look back at daisy again. Okay. So take a look at doll, deer, and dump. Look at the second letters. What would come next in our alphabet? We don't have any DBs or DCs or DDs, but we do have a DE. That's right, we have a DE. Do we have any other DE? Oh, so that means deer is going to be next because it would come next in the alphabet. Okay, now I want you to look at the last 2 words, doll and dump. What do you think? Think about your ABCs in your head. Doll, very good, D-O, doll. And then we have D-U, dump. You'll see something very close to this on the back on the page 128 today for your worksheet. You're also going to see one more thing that we've already gone over in our video lessons last week, and if you need more practice, you can go back to that video as well. But I'm going to write it out for you. Let's just look at it one more time. It's when we have to double a final consonant in a word, okay? It's another suffix rule here. So let's take a look at it, okay? If I have the word sit, but I want to make it sitting, I want to add the suffix ing. Well, let's try to remember that suffix rule. If I have a short vowel, mark it with a smile, that ends in a consonant, okay? And I want to add a suffix that starts with a vowel, just like this is a vowel right here, okay? I have to do what to this T? I've got to double it. It becomes S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Very good, guys. You're going to see that on your worksheet as well on page 128. We've practiced it quite a bit. If you need a little more practice than this, go back to last week's language video and there'll be a little bit of additional practice there for you. See you in a little bit.